and today we are going to be at Plantasia. We're going to see lots of little animals.
Exotic ones too.
Come with us!
There's a waterfall, look out this way. Let's go!
Look at this, guys. Over there, there's a waterfall and there's lots of trees. This is the parrot. His name is Rainbow. Hello, Rainbow. We are going to smell stinky stuff. It's going to be very, very bad. That's the worst of them all.
There are killer plants this way.
Oh no, Fion's getting eaten.
Suspecting insects land on the tips and find themselves trapped as the plant digests them. Ew! Travel by train and get 20% off the Plantasia. Thanks for coming to Plantasia with us. We're off to get the train now. Bye!